Good morning, children. In our previous video, we have learned about what is agriculture and types of crops. Today in this video, children, we will learn in detail about the different types of food crops. So, first of all, children, what are food crops? Crops that are grown to feed the people of a country is known as food crops. And some examples of food crops are rice, wheat, maize, millets, and pulses. So, children, these are the examples of the food crops. So, today we will learn in detail about the food crops. So, let us start reading the chapter. The most important food crop is rice. It is the staple food of the people living in the eastern and southern parts of India. Rice grows well in hot and humid climate. Assam, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Punjab, and Haryana are the major producers of rice. India is the largest producer of rice in the world. More than 4,000 varieties of rice are grown in India. It is the second largest producer of rice after China. So, children, rice is the most important food crop that is grown in India. Now, it is the staple food of people living in the eastern as well as southern part of India. It means people who live in the eastern and southern parts of India eat rice regularly. Now, rice grows well in hot and humid climate. So, states like Assam, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Punjab, and Haryana are the major rice producing states of India. Now, India is the largest producer of rice in the world, and more than 4,000 different varieties or different kinds of rice are grown in India. And lastly, children, India is the second largest producer of rice after China. So, which country is the second largest producer of rice? So, children, the answer is India. India is the second largest producer of rice in the world. Now, let us read about wheat. Wheat is the second most important food crop in India. It grows well in cool and moist climate. Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, and Madhya Pradesh are the main wheat producing states. So, children, wheat is the second most important food crop that is grown in India. It grows well in cool and moist climate. So, children, that is why wheat is mostly grown during the winter season. Now, lastly, the main wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, and Madhya Pradesh. All these are the main wheat producing states of India. Now, next we will study about millets. Millets or coarse grains include jowar, bajra, and ragi. And these are grown in areas where it is not possible to grow rice and wheat. The states where grains are grown are Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka, Telangana, and Andhra Pradesh. So, children, millets are also known as coarse grains. And examples of millets are jowar, bajra, and ragi. All these are the millets. Now, children, millets are usually grown in the places or in the areas where it is not possible to grow rice or wheat. And the states where it is grown are Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka, Telangana, and Andhra Pradesh. So, in all these places, millets are grown. Now, the last food crop is pulses. Pulses are an important part of food in our country. These include gram, urad, arhar, moong, peas, masoor, etc. The pulses are grown in almost every parts of India except where the rainfall is heavy. India is the largest producer and consumer of pulses in the world. The major pulse growing states are Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, and Rajasthan. So, children, pulses are an important part of our food because it provides us with a lot of protein, and that is why, children, pulses are an important part of our food. Now, some common pulses that you will find in your kitchen are gram, urad dal, arhar dal, moong dal, peas, masoor dal. All these are examples of pulses. Now, children, pulses are grown in almost every part of India except where the rainfall is heavy. In such places, pulses can't be grown. Now, India is the largest producer as well as consumer of pulses in the world. That means pulses is grown here in India in large quantities and it is also eaten by the people in large quantities. Now, lastly, the states where pulses are grown are Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, and Rajasthan. In all these places, pulses are grown. So, children, today we have learnt about the important food crops which are grown in India. In the next video, we will learn about the cash crops which are grown in India. So, children, till then, revise the portion that we have done today, and I will see you in the next class. Thank you, children.